Quick graph y equals the square root of x minus 5 by hand 2 different ways. This is part of the Family of Functions series. You will need graph paper or download this PDF and print it. Press pause anytime as needed. So the first way is something called the radical dance. Normally we'd start at the origin, but because of the minus 5, we need to shift each point down 5 units. So we're going to start at 0, negative 5. From that point, we do the radical dance. And that's right 1, up 1, because the square root of 1 is 1. Right 4, up 2, because the square root of 4 is 2 from that point. And right 9, up 3, because the square root of 9 is 3. Connect the points, and we have y equals the square root of x minus 5. Here's the parent function, y equals the square root of x, and you can see they are identical except for position. Notice from the blue to the green, it's down 5 at several different points. The whole curve is dropped down 5 units. In fact, I could even grab the parent function and shift it down 5 units, and they match pretty much perfectly. Second way is using a table. We would start with the y equals square root of x table, and then we're going to take and subtract 5 from each of the y coordinates because that's what's in the equation. So 0 would go to negative 5, and then we'll plot it. 1 goes to negative 4, and plot that one. 2 minus 5 would be negative 3. And then 3 minus 5 would be negative 2, and plot those 4 points. Connect the points, and again we get that same curve. And comparing it to the parent function, very well done. Now you try one. Graph y equals the square root of x minus 2. Use either method or both for the practice. Press pause to do this, and then resume when you're finished to check. So y equals the square root of x minus 2 is down 2 from regular square root parent function.